Hi and welcome to my channel. Thanks for dropping by. I'm sharing a snack recipe with you today. Something to stave off the hunger pangs between meals. It is prawn fritters. Come, let's check out the ingredients.
I have 150 grams of all-purpose flour here. I'm sifting the flour now. Sifting the flour aerates the flour. It gets rid of lumps in the flour and makes the batter light and airy. Next, I am adding 50 grams of rice flour to the all-purpose flour. A quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder comes next. I am also adding 1 teaspoon of cornflour, also known as cornstarch, to the mix together with 1 teaspoon of salt. A mixture of all-purpose flour, rice flour and corn flour makes the fritters crispy. Let's mix the ingredients together. All-purpose flour contains gluten, whereas rice flour and corn flour are both gluten-free. The addition of the rice flour and the corn flour reduces the gluten content of the batter and prevents it from absorbing too much oil and moisture. This in turn makes the fritters crispy. Add water little by little to the flour to make a thick batter. Stir well to break up any lumps in the batter. Once the lumps have been removed, add half a teaspoon of baking powder to the batter. I added altogether 200 ml of water to make this batter. Putting the vegetables in now. Firstly, a quarter cup of chives, 1 medium onion chopped into small bits, 2 cloves of garlic chopped into small bits also, 3 red bird's eye chillies, a quarter cup of carrot cut into small pieces, 200 grams of shelled and deveined prawns cut into small pieces. Let's mix the prawns into the batter. The weight of the prawns with the shells was 350 grams. I need the batter to be a little more thick. I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of sifted all-purpose flour to make this batter more concentrated. Mix everything together and set aside for about 15 minutes. I have sufficient oil in the wok to fry the prawn fritters. Let's now do the chopstick test. Can you see the bubbles forming at the bottom of the chopstick? That means the oil is hot enough to fry the prawn fritters. I want to first test my batter to see if there's enough salt in it. Let me take this bit of batter out and taste it for salt. I've added more salt. I'm now going to add 2 spoons of hot oil into the batter. Adding hot oil to the prawn fritter batter makes the prawn fritters crispy. Let's now fry our first batch of prawn fritters. The flame is at medium. However, please adjust your flame from medium to low medium according to the temperature of the oil. I'm going to fry only 3 fritters at a time. It's important not to crowd the oil as The fritters will not become crispy if they are crowded in the oil. Let's turn them over. Just look at the fritters sparkling in the oil. The prawn fritters are done, so let's take them out. It's taken about 5 minutes for the prawn fritters to be done. Next batch of 3 going in. Turning them over now. The fritters have been in the oil for 5 minutes. They are done, so let's take them out. Delicious prawn fritters. Please make this at home and enjoy. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.